For materials, I'll be using Photoshop Creative Cloud and a Wacom Intuos 4 tablet. It doesn't matter which model you use, it could be a Bamboo, Intuos Pro, Cintiq, whatever. The prices vary, but I've tried quite a few and they are all fantastic, even the cheapest ones. So it doesn't really matter what model you have, I'd say it's more important to practice sketching. If you had to choose between owning a $3,000 Cintiq or to practice sketching every day on Post-it notes, I'd recommend you practice every day on Post-it notes. That's what I do, and if you do it enough, you will see improvement. The computer I'm using is an ancient 2009 Apple Mac Pro. I love using Apple, and I love using Windows as well. Both are fine, as long as your computer is powerful enough to keep up with your super quick awesome brushstrokes. Speaking of Mac and PC, the control key for PC is the command key in Apple. So when I'm talking about using the control key in this course, that's aimed at PC users. If you're using a Mac, just replace control with command.